Hold her hand, baby. Hold her hand. Hi, this is a video of our messy hallway and of McKenna walking with Riley right now. Watch this. Come here, McKenna. Come here, McKenna. Hi, baby. Oh, fall down. We got to show everybody how you can walk. All right, don't touch her, Riley. Back away, Riley. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 10, 20. You're taking a lot of steps. Yes, you are. You're a good girl. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come to me. Come to me. Come to me. Yay! And look, she didn't even want me. She just wanted to come to the window. I'm by the door. Can you guys tell? She just wanted to come to the door. McKenna, you can't go outside. You're going to fall down. Well, before she falls down and I videotape it, we're going to say goodbye. Say goodbye! Bye. Say bye!
I'll videotape it when she already...